Hello friends, good evening. Today I am coming up with another interesting topic, that is a module from Odoo Community Association regarding Purchase Invoice Plan. So in Odoo, if we are buying something, then how Odoo can create a recurring invoice with planning in advance. So those kind of features are not available in base Odoo. So this particular module can help us. So how we can buy some service product, buy some maybe physical products, and we can create our invoicing plan in advance. Maybe if we are buying some services, let's start with internet services. So it is a service where our invoicing policy on order quantity and purchase unit is month, and then we have $100 per month of service purchase cost. So if we want to have that particular service in place, then we will buy from internet service provider, and our service will be internet services over here, where we will divide for 12 months. Okay, so when I am purchasing this, I can enable this use invoice plan, where this particular module, once I install, it will show this particular option, and then once I enable this, I can get a tab, and in this tab Odoo automatically divide from the start date. So if my order start date is 1st January 25, then entire plan has been divided into 12 equal months for 12 months, and then on every month it will create an invoice. So how that particular thing works with this module? So when I confirm the order, now Odoo will allow to create my invoice, either create bill by plan, or I can create a regular bill in advance. So if I go create by plan, I can create two ways in terms of purchase bill. One is create a one by one bill, or create all regular bill in advance on this particular plan date. So let's say if I say create next bill, it will create one vendor bill on 1st January worth $100 for me, and I can confirm that. So that you can see a bill copy is here already with us. Now system can also create another bill with my plan. So I can say create next bill, it will create another bill in my billing record on 1st of February. Once I confirm this, system will be in the PO, it will show me one by one. Over here I can also get purchase order lines, which is another module which will show me all the line, and this purchase invoice plan, which will show me all the planned services and its billable items over here. So now you can see we can also see the bills over here, and then I can analyze further. So if I go here in PO, so it is only for analysis purpose, and then I can go back to my purchase order number 15, where my quantity to receive and received an invoice is pending. So you can see two invoices till 10 because two I already billed. Where this is the service, then I can manually give whatever option I have, like 5 to 3. So obviously it is 3 right now, and then I can create a regular bill or bill by plan. So if I say bill by plan and I say all regular bills, then it will create all the bills in draft mode, and then I go back to my bills, and I can plan entire bills in advance, and then I can generate the payment terms accordingly. So these all bill are created in advance. I can either create one by one on monthly basis, or I can do everything right now by bulk action, and I can confirm the entries. Okay, so this is how it will going to confirm in bulk. If I want to confirm this 3, I can confirm now, and it will create the sequence in the plan. So all my reporting purpose will be there in terms of my age payable when I am seeing this particular plan. Okay, these are the old, so age payable will be here. And now based on my future transaction, I can also see my payables. If I go into future date, let's say entire year 2025, then it will show me all the account payables in terms of my plan. You see, internet service provider, there are bills till 1st June is there. Okay, so this is how I can analyze my billing cycle in advance from my purchase. Another example I would like to take, if I am renting a car as my purchase. So car on rent, where I want to have, for 3 months I want to rent a car, and then I can use invoice plan where I need to pay that on monthly basis, and I can paste over here like for 3 months starting from 1st March, interval will be monthly. Then I can create my plan. So every month on starting from 1st March, it will create a plan for my advance bill, and then based on that I can create bill by plan, and I can create all the bills in advance with me, and then I can confirm that in bulk, so that system can create my monthly bill based on my plan. So this is how I can buy my services on my purchase with this. Now let's say another example, if I want to let's say buy a water tank, which is my goods, not a service, and my policy is on received quantity. So that how can I make my plan? So if I am buying my water from water tank from my supplier, let's say I need to buy 100 units from starting from 1st March I need to buy, and then I want to plan my invoice where I want to divide that into 5 months starting from 1st March. So system will automatically generate my plan for based on the amount starting from March. Now if I confirm the order, it will generate a receipt. Now if I want to create my bill, then I have to receive some products. So if I go to receive, and let's say I am receiving 20 quantities right now, okay, then I validate, and then I will create a back order. So over here now system will allow me to create bill by plan. Okay, so let's say I am creating a bill, so it will allow me to create based on whatever received quantity I have in my plan. Now let's say if I go to receive again, and on the same month, let's say I am receiving another 10 units, and then I validate that 10 units, I create a back order, and I go to my PO, then it will again allow me to create the bill by plan. So I will say create next bill. So it say plan quantity is 20, and now exceed invoiceable quantity by 10. So for this particular month I already created for 20 units. Now for the rest 10 units, if I want to create a plan, then system will not allow me because of my planning. So that's how system is stopping me, like you cannot create a vendor bill in advance based on your receipt. So this is how for physical goods also, this is the restriction system will give when I am introducing a plan over here. So quantity to receive 70, I already received 30 quantity in place, whereby 2 invoice is pending. Now I can create a regular bill over here, then this plan will be discarded. Okay, so now let's say I want to have amount to invoice over here, and then I will say create bill by plan, create next bill, so it will not allow me. Okay, so if I say create all bill, then it will also not allow me, because for this particular month I am already done with my received quantity and my plan according to my plan. So that's how system will also give me an alert when I am planning something in terms of physical goods, and then I am receiving exceeding quantity to bill. So this is how you can control your purchase of services and its billing plan for a month or year. Or if you are buying some physical goods and want to divide that physical goods receipt and billing according to your plan, then you can also use this particular module. This module name is Purchase Invoice Plan, and this is available under Purchase Workflow repository of OCA. So hope this module is again in the alpha version. You can definitely try using different business case according to your business needs. But yeah, I found it useful when I'm buying something in terms of subscription, in terms of services. This module will work great for all our service purchase need and recurring advanced billing plan. Thank you guys. See you again with a new topic soon.